All right, you guys, today we're going to look at area of circles, or in other words, big B, area of the base. Okay, so I want to make sure we are very clear that big B means area of the bases. The bases of cylinders and cones are circles. So the formula for the area of a circle is given to you, and it is pi times radius squared. So when we talk about big B, remember that means area of the base. So then you would have to use that formula, pi r squared, embedded into your formula. So up here, where it says big B, this should be pi r squared times height. This should be 1/3 pi r squared times height. Okay, so anywhere you see an area of a circle or any of these things, these should be your big B's. So in this case, for this first one, we have a cylinder and its base is a circle. So I'm actually going to draw kind of a mini circle here, and I'm going to label what's given to me. And in this case, the radius is 6. So to find our area of the base, we would do pi times radius squared. So this would be pi times 6 squared. So this would be 36 times pi. Now, you can stop there sometimes, but on your Desmos calculator, this is the keypad at the bottom. Your pi symbol is here. This is what I want you to make a habit of using when you are calculating with pi. So then once I multiply those values, our area of the base is 113. We typically round to the nearest hundredth. So it would be actually 0.1 because it's 0.97 something. So this would be our area of the base for that cylinder. Let's try another one. Let's look at this one here. So my base is a circle. I'm going to draw my circle and label it. Now, if you notice, the diameter is 8. We don't need the diameter, we need the radius. So the radius is half of that. So that would be 4. So our radius would be 4. So when I go to do my area of the base, this would be pi times radius squared, pi times 4 squared. So this would be 16 pi. So when I go to type this in Desmos, I would type 16 pi. All you have to do is type pi, and it'll put it in there for you. So we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. So this will be 50.27. I'm going to go down here. Let's try one of the cones. So when I look at the cone here, I see this circular base is here. It's kind of hard to tell because of the way it's positioned. So I'm just going to draw a circle. And now remember, I only need the radius. I'm given the diameter. I need half of that. So my radius is 11. So big B equals pi r squared. Big B equals pi times 11 squared. And in all honesty, putting that in now without, squaring 11 should work. So area of the base equals 380.13. So our steps are shade the base, draw the base, write your formula, and plug in the numbers. Oops.